Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to uninstall ClawdBot. All right, let's begin. First, note that I don't have ClawdBot installed now, so my steps might look slightly different. You just need to follow along and copy and paste all the commands I enter in sequence. Now, click on the Start menu and search for PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator, then run the one-step uninstall command. Next, enter ClawdBot gateway stop to ensure no active processes remain. Now remove the service completely by running ClawdBot gateway uninstall. After that, delete hidden configuration and workspace data using these two commands. Finally, uninstall the package manager version. If it was installed with npm run, npm remove -g ClawdBot. If you use pnpm run, pnpm remove -g ClawdBot to fully remove it. To confirm everything is removed, type ClawdBot -- version in PowerShell. That's it for this video. Thanks.